Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Amiazi Fashion YouTube channel. So today we are making this stylish Bubu kimono dress. So the black fabric is what we are going to use and do the facing. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button under my video. You can share this video with your friends. Give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend this video to more people. Please watch this video to the end, guys.
So this is the fabric that we are using to cut our kimono bubu dress. So what I will start with is the length. So I will start with the length. From the end of the length is 38. That is the length measurement is 38 that we are using. So I will continue to measure and mark that 38, including the hemline there. So after that, what next is to measure the neck. So I'm marking 3 for the neck, and the cleavage to bring it down is 7, and it's v-neck that we are making. So that is the 7 that I want to mark. Can you see what I'm doing there now? So I'm marking that 7. So now is the shoulder. So what I'm taking there, everything there is 14 that I'm taking for the weight of the body of this bubu kimono that we are making. So that is the length there. So now what else is the half length that I'm marking it by 16. The half length is 16 there. So now is the armhole side that I want to chalk. So bringing it with 8 is 8 that I'm marking. So I marked 8 from the shoulder to the armhole. So that is the shoulder, and that is the armhole side of it. So that is where we'll now curve it. So now is the body size. Remember, it's 40 that I said we are using it to have the bubu kimono. So now you just mark it throughout down to the length 14. So that is what I'm marking there now. So that is the marking of the body now. So it's 14 that we are using to get it. That is the v-neck that I want to mark there now. So I'm marking it with my chalk. So you can see that is v. So that is the v now. So after that now is for me to slope the shoulder with 1 inch. I'm bringing it down with 1 inch, that is the shoulder sloping. So down with that. So it's not difficult. Please watch my video to the end and share it to a friend. So that is the neck now. So don't forget to subscribe also, please. So that is the measurement of this kimono. So what I'm doing now is to cut the neck, that is the back neck first. So because we use it to this front, we will now use it to cut the back. So I use one to drop it down at the back side. So it's one that I marked there. So that is the shoulder now that I'm cutting now. So the shoulder, you remember to slope it with 1 inch. So I'm cutting the shoulder now to get our body. So now we have done cutting it out. So after that now, just for you now to use this first one, that is the front side of it, to cut the other side of the back. So this is the front that we are cutting. Remember, it's a bubu kimono that we are making, it's a dress. So that is it. So I've done the cutting of the shoulder. So just for me now to trim the side of it now, the remaining parts that remain at the side. So because everything that we mark there is 14, just a little fabric that remain at the side there. Can you see what it is there now that I'm just trimming out for it to look good? So that is the body size of the kimono bubu that we are making. Remember, don't forget to subscribe, tell it to a friends. So that is it now. That is what I'm cutting out for it to see. So that is the body size that I'm cutting. So we are cutting it. Remember to bring it down now that is the armhole side, and mark 8 there. Don't forget that it's 8 that are marked. So we're done with the cutting. So I will just take this front side to lay it at the back side. So this is how you will sew it. That's why I'm pointing it out for you. From that 8 of the armhole is where you will start with your sewing, and you sew it out. So this is the back side of it now, because I've laid the front side on it. So I'm cutting it out. That is the shoulder now, to cut it. And remember, we've done with the cutting of the neck from the back, from the front when I was marking it. So the cutting is done at the neck side of the back. So I will now cut the neck of the front, that is the V neck. Remember, it's V neck. So that is what I'm doing there now. So I'm opening at the side of the neck now, that is cutting it for you to see. So don't forget that our next video is 6 pieces pattern that I will make. Look forward to that. So that is the front side of the neck, V neck. So after that, you now use your material, that is that black material that I showed you, to use it to cut the facing. So after facing it, you now go and join the shoulder to the shoulder, and the Bubu kimono will be ready. So that is it now. It's ready now. So you can see how it is now. Very lovely, good to go. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment, like it, and give it a thumbs up. So that is it. Bye bye.